Right. Hiya, how you doing? Well, it's a really hot day here in London. It's been like this quite a while, and what to do on a really hot day when it's too hot to go out and get burnt? So I've decided to buy myself a 3D printer. The first thing I'll get is a quick installation guide. Okay. Oh my God. Ow. Like a really adult Meccano, hopefully. Look at it, it's more or less. Oh, maybe I haven't got to do all that I thought I had to do. Oh my God, could be a lot easier. I thought I can actually make something. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God, Jesus. Right. I'll have a little motor. Oh my God. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm now on. Shit, I've got my microphone. Okay, so I've connected. It's quite fiddly. There's these extension, these wires leads in there and there, another one in there, and I connected another one to there. Power plug. Oh. Ain't no power there, man. Shit. Is that on? It's just plug on. There you go. Fuck me, man. Okay, I heard something then. Yay! Oh, go on, do your thing and that. All right, guys, so here's the first thing it printed. There you can see there. You see that Justin Bieber case? Well, there's an image of one with the giant holder at the back. I'm going to try and make that. So here we go. There was my first attempt. You can see it's only half. It did actually fit on the side of the phone. There's the holder. Okay, that was that one. And this one, I can see already. It's got. I'm going to take it off. I haven't taken it off yet, so I hope it doesn't break when it and stick. Let's see if I can get it off. Oh, wow! Look at that. There's the holes in the side for the buttons. See it? There's a few imperfections in here. I can live with that. So this is the final product that I've got here. There's a few imperfections, obviously, but for a first go, I'm pleased with that. And it actually fits. And now there's a little doobie hole. Cool.